If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to JASMY video update. It's Jazzy Jazz in the building, the dumpy dump, JASMY Jazz. Hi, what's going on? We're still dumping. 3 black rows appearing once again. So December can be a little bit green for JASMY, but it's not still guaranteed. If Bitcoin looks bad the next month, which I'm expecting it's going to look bad, then we might be looking for JASMY to really move lower. But you know, JASMY is really oversold right now based on the RSIs, and unfortunately I talked about this pattern yesterday and I want to show you that pattern at the moment, and you have already started to break out of that pattern. So finally, today's Monday, but you really haven't made the closing just yet, so you gotta wait 14 hours for the closing to happening. So you did actually came down like this, move sideways, pop to the downside, and you're looking to go all the way down to 0.001994, which I've been giving you this target for a very long time right now. So unfortunately you're gonna have to wait for the next 14 hours to close this candlestick. If you look at this one at the 4-hour time frame, the 4-hour time frame also shows that it's pretty much done. Okay, so you can see one touch right there, second touch right here, nearly second touch there, third one, fourth one, and then you have this bearish closing. Let me just zoom in there and let me show you this one right here. So that's the bearish closing that you have, and you're looking to go down. So maybe this is a nice buying shorting opportunity, not a buying opportunity, all the way down to hell of that price target. So maybe in December we might not have any green month, but December continues to still be red and go all the way down here, spend some time here, and maybe go back up a little bit if he wants to bottom out at that particular price target. And that's pretty much it for this update on JASMY. Join our Discord if you are interested in that one, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.